Good morning, all the English lover boys and the girls for the class 8, 9, 10, and 10th. I am here, Rajneesh Kumar. I just had a lecture yesterday for the tense, especially I discussed about the definition of the tense, cardinal factor for the tense, and also I made it clear about the 8 type of tense. Here, today is my lecture 14, chapter again tense, and here I will take on a new sentence step by step. Here, the ninth number imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence of some orders, instructions, it may be request, it may be of appeal, it may be of the address, it may be of the suggestions, it may be of the instructions. Suppose I make you clear, bolt the door, bring a glass of water, start dance, open the fire on the terrorist, switch off the light, let's play. These are the example of the imperative sentence. Then, after exclamatory sentence, basically the exclamatory sentence is a sense of the 4 clubs. Number 1, here it also expresses about the joy. Number 2, it is also expressed about the sorrow. Number 3, it also bears the sense of breaking news. And number 4, it also having the sense of surprise. Hooray, huzzah, a capital hit, wonderful, excellent. Oh, alas, India lost the match. Your father is living in the foreign without informing you he is at your door. The world best gold mine just below the earth of Champaran. These are the very classic example of the exclamatory sentence. Here, it having the some marks like here, the informative sentence. The sense of the informating simply carries the sense of the information. Go and instruct him to do this work without fail today itself. I am giving the instruction to you. I want to get this work done just before the sunset. This is for your information that school will not start from tomorrow. These are a classic example of the informative sentence. Then I am shifting here for the hyperbolic statement. The hyperbolic statement is that type of the statement which has no logical, rational, scientific and the common sense interpretation. Suppose I am saying, as I kicked the football, it went to the Shanghai. So this may be a very classic example of the hyperbolic. Then after the comparative sentence, you are senior to me, you are junior to me, you are inferior to me. Then after rhetoric sentence, rhetoric sentence is that type of the sentence that grows up, that blooms, that improves the erotic sense. Today's climate is very much inducive for better sleeping. Then after I am on the 15th emphatic sentence, here this sort of the sentence have the power. I wash my cloth myself. I myself went up to outside to make you goodbye. They are doing their work themselvesly. Then after relative sentence, this is the boy who eats much. This is the place where Sita and the Gita used to come. And finally I am here with the superlative sentence. Ram is the best boy of this classroom. So these are the example of the type of the sentence. One thing very clear. In your upcoming examinations, in your futuristic examination, whatever the questions, you have to write it. And you have to write in a sentence. Mind it, you have to write these all the answer into the sentence. So, this is the matter. That's why the sentence is a very important chapter. If you pay the special attention towards the improving the quality of the sentence, it has the directly proportionate to getting your percentage of the marks in your upcoming examination. That's why the sentence chapter is the very important to you. Some teacher, some learned people say your answer is a wonderful. Yes, but the real matter is your formation of the sentence is a wonderful. So go for to know the ins and out of the formation of a sentence. This is the real matter. This is the golden opportunity for you all. Please stay in your home. Study, study, study. But always respect your parents. Thank you very much.